Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Me chiamo Daanya Harahap. Welcome back to Tinta Take Over the Kitchen Challenge episode 2. Mamma mia! Today I would like to introduce to our special guest. Let me introduce to him. Name Mario. Since Mario is an Italian guy, and we are making pizza, and since pizza is from Italy and he's also from Italy, so today's gonna be like a very Italian episode. Mamma mia! Let me show you the ingredients to make a pizza. We have the tomato sauce, the sausage, the green bell pepper, the turkey ham, Italian seasoning, and cheese.
Daanya,
Yes?
I think we are missing the most important ingredients.
Yes, we are. Where's the pizza dough? Okay, I'm going to make it here by magic. 1, 2, 3. Wow! The pizza dough is here!
Oh, very good, Daanya.
So looks like our first thing to do is spread the pizza dough all over it. There's a tiny crack. There's a crack on the pizza, don't you think, Mario? So I think we'll just like spread it, right? So we scoop it with the spatula. Warp. So now I already put the sauce for the pizza. We already put the tomato sauce. Now let's add the toppings. Mamma mia! Whoop. First we'll put the turkey ham. This guy. One over. I think I should put them all in. One. Not that bad. Tomato sauce not that bad. When you're gonna fry them, they'll become so crispy. Okay, I think this is enough. Now we put the sausage. Boop. 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 Oh wow, double sausage. Okay, this is enough, I think. Oh, one more over here. So now we will put the bell pepper. Boop. Boop. Do 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 do. I think are enough bell peppers, I think. Let's add one more here. Boop. So now we will put the cheese, maybe? The cheese. Spread it all over. I don't know how exactly to spread cheese. I think this is enough. So now we'll add the Italian seasoning to make it much more Italian-ish. The cheese is dry. I already put all the toppings on the pizza and it looks so delicioso. Now we're going to put this into the oven. Isn't that right, Mario? Pea grease. Alright, so we need to preheat the oven for 220 degrees from 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, the pizza's already cooked and I want all of you to try it at home. Bye everybody, I'm going to eat with Mario.